Welcome to English in a Minute. This American English idiom has to do with wishes. Luck is also involved.
Keeping one's fingers crossed.
It looks like we might be getting bad weather this weekend. I'm hoping that storm doesn't come our way.
Me too. It would be too bad if it rains for Jane's outdoor wedding. I am keeping my fingers crossed that the rains hold off until Sunday.
Keeping one's fingers crossed means you are hoping for something to happen, usually something good. This saying comes from a time when people believed you could prevent bad luck by crossing your fingers. Usually you cross your middle finger over your first finger. And that's English in a Minute.